All right, let me share the link on IG as well. And in the meantime, let me open my live chat real quick as well. Okay, perfect. All right, let's share the link on IG. Okay, perfect. So we are live. All right. I'm excited for today. How's it going, people? How's it going? One sec, I'm sharing my link on the story as well. Yo, how's it going? I will check the live chat in a sec, guys. Give me a sec. All right. Just share the link as well over here. Let me double check. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. All right, so how's it going, everyone? How are you guys? Hey, Dan. Hey, brother. Hey. Hello, everyone. How's it going? Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you're having a good week so far. Let me know what you guys are up to. And real quick, I'm gonna go over the watch list pairs to see if we have something interesting. Right here, I see that we have this hourly demand. Okay, so this right here is a good confluence, H1 demand. Let's check the 4 hour. Not much on the 4 hour, not much on the daily, but this confluence will do. So let me extend it over here, color coded with green. And on the 5 minute, I know that this can be an A+ potential, okay? Depending on the market structure shift, okay? So that's that for GJ. In terms of news, do we have any high impact news today? No, I don't think so. No, we don't. Okay, let's go over US 30 now. Okay, US 30 is looking bullish. US 30 is looking bullish. It took out this high right here. Not a beautiful H1 sweep because this candlestick closed above it. If we zoom out though, are we at an important level over here? Yes, we are at an H1 fair value gap over here. We rejected from it. So let's note it here, H1 VVG. One sec, let me show you guys the VVG. Here it is. Okay, very clear to see it. Let me extend the line over here, just like this. Okay, let's go on the 4 hour. No confluences on the 4 hour and no confluences on the daily either. So the only confluence is on the H1. And it's enough for us to have a potential A+ setup. Okay, so right now this is an A+ potential depending on the market structure shift. Okay, and we can see that currently it is aggressive. It is aggressively going towards the downside, but no fair value gap yet. So we just gotta wait. Next up, we have USEF. Okay, USEF is looking bearish, guys. Okay, this is the valid high right there. Let me check the 4 hour and the daily real quick. Nope, nothing over here. We are now waiting for this low to get taken out. On USEF, what about the GU? Okay, GU is looking pretty bullish today. Currently at this H1 unmitigated supply. And looks like it already gave a setup here. So I'll just place this as my upper liquidity level, okay? Because it already gave a setup before the stock exchange has opened right here, all right? So yeah, that's that for GU. Let's go over EU now. So EU is looking pretty similar. However, GU is a bit more bullish. This is the low. in this area here. Let me check the 4-hour and the daily. 4-hour, we have this unmitigated supply where price could reject from. We can see that EU took out this high right there. Okay. It is rejecting from a H4 supply. So we have an H4 supply right here. We could potentially look for some shorts over here. Okay. So let me extend this line over here. And now we go on the 5-minute. And on the 5-minute, we know that this could be an A plus potential. Okay, A plus potential depending on MSS, on the market structure shift. Okay, guys, that's what we are waiting for right now on EU. You can see that it had a liquidity run over here as well on the 5-minute. That's a good added confluence. And yeah, this one is also looking pretty interesting. Okay, so we'll keep our eye on it. Next up, we have NASDAQ. So NASDAQ is looking bullish. Okay, it took out this liquidity level over here. Unfortunately, it is not a beautiful sweep, but we do have a beautiful H1 sweep over here. Okay, so we do have a beautiful H1 sweep over there. Looking very good, actually. 4-hour also reacting from a 4-hour VVG. So let me note this down. H4 fair value gap. And what about the daily? Daily, nothing. Okay, so let me extend this over here. We go on the 5-minute. And let's see, do we already have a setup? Yeah, it looks like it already gave a setup, kind of, guys. Check this out. So looks like it gave a shift here. Okay, it's a weak shift, of course, but this gap here was mitigated and now price is pushing lower. So unfortunately, I would have to see this high getting taken out, okay, before looking for setups again on NASDAQ. Okay, I'm talking about this high right here. All right. And lastly, we have gold that is pushing higher as we speak. This is the most recent valid low. In terms of the higher time frame, not much going on. Price is impulsively heading higher, and to be honest, I'm targeting this liquidity area here. If that one will get taken out, I will then be interested in looking for some potential sells. Okay, until then, I'll just sit on my hands and do nothing. So yeah, that's that for gold. NASDAQ, it's in between. GU in between as well. USEF looking like it wants to take out this low pretty soon. On EU, we are waiting for an aggressive shift. Okay, we can see that we had multiple liquidity runs over here. US 30 looking pretty bearish now, but no shift yet, so we just gotta wait. We just gotta wait for it. No aggressive shift yet. And lastly, we have GJ. Okay, lastly, we have GJ. We are waiting for a bullish shift over here. Okay, and if we'll get it, we will get involved. So yeah, that's that for now, guys. Let me quickly record a short update with my phone for the people that haven't joined us yet. And yeah, after that, I'll check the live chat to see what you guys wrote over there. Okay, so yeah, just bear with me. Let me film this short update real quick, and then we will be able to start talking, okay? But yeah, in the meantime, guys, let me know, how have you guys spent the weekend? How's the weekend been for you? How's this start of the week going so far? Let me know. Let me know. How's it going, everyone? We are live on YouTube for today's trading session. Make sure to join us. And now I thought to give y'all a short outlook in case you're not able to join us live yet. We currently have our eyes on GJ, US 30, and EU. On GJ, we took out this liquidity level over here. We are reacting from an H1 demand. We are now waiting for a bullish market structure shift. On US 30, we took out this liquidity level over here, reacting from an H1 FVG, and I'm now waiting for a bearish aggressive market structure shift. And lastly, we have euro dollar that took out this liquidity level, currently at an H4 supply where I expect the price to react from. But of course, we are not FOMOing into any trades. We are now waiting for an aggressive market structure shift, and only afterwards we'll see if we can enter a setup. So yeah, that's that for now. Make sure to join us live if you're able to. Okay, perfect. Just recorded the short update, and now I will send it in the groups for the people that aren't able to attend us yet. Okay, short market update. Perfect. All right, so how's it going, people? How are you? Let me know. Gold. Okay, so on gold, we are currently in between these two liquidity levels, brother. Okay, so on gold right now, we just gotta wait. There's nothing for us to do on gold. Okay, so yeah. But let me know. How are you guys doing? How's the weekend been for you? How's this start of the week going for you? Let me know. Okay. One sec. I'm sharing the market update. I will check your messages in a sec, okay, guys? Give me a minute. I will check the live chat in a sec, guys, okay? All right, GJ is looking pretty bullish. Let's see. Let's see. All right, so let's check the live chat. PD area is closed and let's go. Hey, glad to see you again, brother. Glad to see you again. Hello, Dan. Hey, Christian. How's it going? Hey, Dimuth. How's it going, brother? I know you're really good today. With that 100K getting passed. I bet you're doing super good today. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, what is your win rate and how many trades do you take per week? So win rate more or less around 60%. Of course, if the trades are taken the way I take them. And then in terms of trades, it really depends on the on the market volatility. Okay, because there's weeks where the volume is amazing and there's a lot of opportunities, and maybe I'll have, let's say, 7 trades, okay? And then there's a week where the volume might be super low and I'll only have 1 or 2 trades, okay? So yeah, it varies. It varies. It really depends on the market volume, because like I previously mentioned, and I will always stress about this, we as traders, our job is to react to what the market has to offer and not trying to control it, okay? Because there's many people that do this mistake. They get into trading, they start a new week and they say, okay, this week I want to have 10 trades, okay? That right there is the wrong mindset, because the market could only give you 1 single trade this week, okay? And what will you do next? Because you want to get 10 trades, you will get into 9 trades that aren't according to your plan, and therefore you will get into some unnecessary losses, and ultimately you will get into a losing streak. That's why it is very important to react to what the market has to offer and understand that every single day the market will handle differently. And your job is to be very picky, pick only A+ setups, and don't try to force setups, okay? So yeah, hope it makes sense. Hope it makes sense, guys. Okay. All right. So GJ looks like it rejected from this 5-minute supply here, and now it's heading lower, but we won't FOMO into anything. US30 is looking good. Like this displacement here looks good to me, but there's no gap. There's no potential entry for us. Euro USD, we could have a potential here, but I want to see good volume. If I don't see good volume, I will not enter. Okay, you guys remember last session, we had a couple trades that we didn't take because the volume was very low, the shift was weak, and you guys saw multiple times over and over again how many trades, how many losses we avoid by staying super peaky and super true to our plan. Okay, so yeah, you guys already know me. You guys already know me. So yeah, EU waiting for that aggressive move. USEF, as I mentioned earlier, I'm looking for USEF to liquidate this low here anytime soon. Okay, I think it will happen pretty soon. GU almost taking out this high over here, so we'll keep an eye on that as well. NASDAQ is in between, okay, and gold is also in between. Okay, gold is looking pretty bullish today. I'm not gonna lie. Gold is looking pretty bullish today. So yeah, for now we'll just wait, guys. Okay, we will just wait. So let me check the live chat. Trying to work out lot sizes in MT4. So the best way to go about your lot size is to use the position size calculator. It's an app. You can find it on the App Store, I think, and also in the Google Play Store most likely. And with that app, you can literally input the asset, let's say euro dollar. You input the amount you want to risk, let's say $1,000, for example, and then you also input the stop loss size, and then it will automatically calculate it for you, and you will be able to find out exactly what lot size you should use in order to risk that specific amount. That, in my opinion, is the best solution. Facing losses than losing hopes. I'm sorry to hear that, man. Are you into you got into any unnecessary losses, or were all of the losses that you took valid? That's the question you should ask yourself, because maybe you are just into a losing streak, and that could be normal. But if you know that you took some unnecessary losses, basically trades that weren't respecting your plan, then you know what you need to work on. It is not that hard, you know. But yeah, I'm sorry to hear that you're in a bad period of trading. How to find an edge, sir? Well, it is not that easy as many people like to make it seem. I'm speaking out of experience here. But of course, it really depends. You see, for me, it took me a while to find an edge and build my own system, so to say, because I didn't have a mentor when I started. I only bought courses, video courses, and I was trying to mix up stuff until I blew my whole savings. Then I started trading on a demo, and that's when I started backtesting a whole lot, like a lot of time. You guys don't even understand how much time I backtested, and that's how in time I was able to develop my own edge. But what I always recommend people nowadays is that it would be a lot easier if you'll seek that knowledge from someone, basically looking for someone to teach you exactly how to do it from A to Z. Not a video course, a one-on-one mentoring, okay? That's what I suggest people nowadays, because it's a lot easier, to be honest. If there's one thing that I would have done differently when I started, it definitely would have been this thing right here. I would have, instead of spending a lot of money on groups, on signal groups, on some videos, on some webinars and whatnot, I would have rather searched for a mentor, you know? So that, in my opinion, is the easiest way to get an edge. That, or the second route where you just do it yourself, but trust me, that route not only is going to be stressful, but it's going to be very, very time consuming. Okay, and I know that many of you don't have that much time to spend, and it's normal. You know, it's normal. Not trying to be a pain in the ass. You aren't. Why would you be? Don't worry, man. Demuth with the laughter. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about, bro. Congrats for the 100K, brother. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Cheers. Hi, bro. How are you? I'm good. I'm good. How are you? How's it going? Once again, guys, let me know. How did you guys spend the weekend? How did you guys spend the weekend? I will tell you about my weekend as well. And yeah, I'm curious to see what you guys have to say. Nice. What's the app called, mate? It's literally called Position Size. Position Size, and it has a blue logo. Any trade on EU and GU? Okay, so on GU, price is currently in between these two liquidity levels, but it looks like it will take out the upper one anytime soon. And on EU, we already have an H1 sweep, and now I'm waiting for an aggressive market structure shift, and only then we could potentially identify an A+ setup. Okay. What do you think about Euro USD? Okay, so yeah, this is literally it. I just mentioned it. I've just mentioned it. Edge is usually achieved during practice. If you want it faster, try go into day trading, specific hours in the session where you can apply either reversals or price action concepts. Edge needs act. Yeah, that is true. That is true. Through a lot of practicing and also backtesting, collecting data. Because without collecting the data and knowing exactly how profitable a strategy is, you will never truly be confident in your own capabilities, so to say. Dan, cheers. You're welcome. You're welcome. Glad you found the app. Glad you found the app. Collect data in a demo account based on specific entry models. Yep. Collecting data, journaling, all that type of stuff is very, very important. Very important, guys. Okay. So yeah. I see that a few of you guys already reached out to me privately regarding the mentoring. I will get back to you after we end this session. Okay. I'll get back to your messages. Don't think that I am ignoring. I'm just currently focused on the trading session, and that's why I will not reply until the trading session is over. Okay. And also, guys, make sure you like this live session. Last time I think we reached 60 likes, if I'm not mistaken, last week. Let's see if this week we can beat that. That'll be very much appreciated. And of course, make sure you're also subscribed to not miss out on any future content. This Saturday, I have a very cool YouTube upload dropping. And I was laughing because I saw a cat outside. That was so random. I have a very cool YouTube upload dropping this Saturday. And you guys don't want to miss it out, trust me. And yeah, But check this out, guys. US 30 looks like it made its move already, but no fair value gap. No fair value gap being left behind. We just gotta wait. And oh, check this out. EU starting to move. EU is starting to move, and I'm liking this. See, exactly what I was talking about. I want to see that volume. Okay, I want to see that volume. Let's check these other pairs real quick. GU didn't take this high. No, it didn't take it. USEF, it didn't take this high, and now it looks like it wants to give us a shift. If it does, then we won't take it. Okay. EU, yeah, we'll focus on Euro USD. US 30 is already making its move. Most likely too late to enter it. And yeah, let's just check EU. Let's just check EU because it's giving us a BOS right here. Pretty aggressive one so far. I hope that volume will continue. And we have this BOS over here as well. Nice, 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 nice. I like this. I like this. I like this. I like this. Okay. Okay. We'll focus on EU, guys. We might have a setup over here. Of course, we need to wait for this candle to fully print and then for the next one as well. Okay, that's what we need to wait for. Over here we have liquidity that was swept. Let's mark it. Okay, and over here as well. Bam, bam. Okay, perfect. Nice, nice, nice. Look at this beautiful, beautiful candlestick. I'm liking this. I am liking this, guys. Let's see. Let's see. I'm focused now because we might have this this setup over here. So yeah. Oh, my neck is hurting a lot. Yep. Let's see. Focusing on EU for now. Sorry for any background noise, but my window is open. You guys might hear some honks. But yeah. Yeah, I'm liking this. I'm liking this volume here, guys. I am liking this volume. We can see that price is pretty overbought on the 5-minute here. So yeah, we could see some downside right here. These are signs of exhaustion. Okay. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. This is looking pretty good. Let's prepare the position tool. So entry would be right here. Stop loss above this high. And then TP at 2RR. Okay. This would be the entry. I will now wait a couple more minutes. I mean, 2 more minutes, because the gap might get smaller. Yep, exactly what I was talking about. Let's see though how small it will get. Hopefully not too small, because we will then not have a setup. But like I said, I'm not here to force anything. I'm just here to react to what the market has to offer. Okay, so if we'll have a setup, we'll take it. If not, we won't. It is that simple. But yeah, so far this looks like the setup. 9.1 pip stop. Pretty solid. So yeah, let's see, guys. Let's see, 2 more minutes until the hourly, of course, also the hourly, but until the 5-minute candlestick will close, this one here, to confirm the fair value gap. That's what we are waiting for. So yeah, let's prepare, guys, to enter this this beautiful setup. It's looking pretty good. Of course, no clue if it's going to be a winner or not, but what I know is that it is an A+ setup as things stand. And yeah, that's really it. Okay. Okay. Nice. Some bearish pressure over there. Currently placing the order. Okay. Order was placed. 20 seconds left until the candlestick will close, but yeah, this is our setup, guys. I'm glad that it broke this low as well as this one here. That's an extra confluence as well. But yeah, let's see. Let's see, guys. We'll bring you over here. Yeah, let's see. Looks like it will trigger. Yeah, it tapped us in. I will quickly go over these other pairs right now. GJ is moving lower, it seems, but still could be an A+ potential if we get an aggressive reversal. We took out liquidity over here as well once again. Now let's move on to US 30. Yeah, I mean, US 30, pretty safe to say that it already made its move. As we can see here, gave us no fair value gap, no entry opportunity. So we'll just leave it as is. USEF still heading lower, but didn't yet take the low. GU didn't take the high. NASDAQ didn't take the high. So USEF here, nothing new. GU, nothing new. NASDAQ moving higher, but failed to take the high, so nothing new. And gold, nothing new. So yeah, we'll just focus on EU for now. Okay, some big volume entering the markets here, as we can see. But yeah, we'll see. I'm not liking the fact that price went above this gap, but of course it can still react from it. Now it's out of our hands, really. The setup is entered. It looks like an A+ setup for me. My job is done now. You know, no matter the outcome, I know that I did my job. My job was to take this setup because it's an A+ setup. That's how I like to think about it. So yeah. Now we'll just see how it goes. So okay. Oh, my neck hurts. My neck hurts. And yeah, we'll take a look at GJ. We'll take a look on GJ now. See if we have anything interesting over here, but price is currently moving lower. And US 30, like I said, it looks like it already made its move. So yeah, nothing to do on these two right now. That means that I can check the live chat. Let's see. Greetings to you all from Morocco. Hey, how's it going? Greetings to you as well. Glad to have you. Danche Gold, it might provide an OTE. On gold right now, I'm not really interested in anything until it will take out this high. If it will take out this high, then I would look for a potential sell. Sorry. But yeah, that's my view on gold. Okay, Euro USD is reacting to that gap. I like this reaction, but of course, still 2 minutes left until the 5-minute candle will close. In the meantime, let me place the first target, which is here at 105, around there, and then 2RR is right here. So yeah, we'll just wait for now. Let me check the messages once again. And also, guys, smash that like button. That'll be very much appreciated. Let's see if we can beat the previous record that was established last week of 60 likes. We are currently on 17 likes. So yeah, let's see if we can smash it today. The correction is also needed according to the current structure. You mean on your USD? If yes, then yeah, I agree. I agree as well. Okay. Can you explain why I didn't take the trade on GU at 1520? That is my 1520. Where is it? Oh yeah, this one here. Yeah, it would have been a valid trade, brother. But I didn't take it because it happened before the New York Stock Exchange. Okay, the New York Stock Exchange is at 15:30 my time, and that's why I didn't take it, because I only look for setups after the New York Stock Exchange opens. You know, so yeah, hope it makes sense now why I didn't take this setup. Bless you. Thanks, brother. Bless you too. Bless you too. And I'm looking forward to have you on board. And I like the fact, because now seeing your messages and whatnot, it seems to me that you're very serious about this indeed. And I'm glad to have people like yourself in my circle, so to say. So yeah, super glad about it. Wow, check this out, gold. Gold is breaking through. Gold is breaking through aggressively. Looks like it wants to take out this high as well. But yeah, for now we'll wait on gold. Okay, for now we will wait on gold. I won't do a thing. Over here, nothing new. US 30, yeah, US 30. We can forget about it, to be honest, unless it will take the low, and then we could look for a potential buy. GJ is looking very bearish. It looks like it wants to take out this hourly demand. And yeah, we'll just stay on gold, on your USD for now. A beautiful reaction to our zone, to our fair value gap. We can see that it went pretty close to TP1. But yeah, let's see, guys. Like I said, we already did our job on EU. Now we just let it play out and see how it goes. Regardless, I'm happy that we took this setup, because like I said, my job here is to take only A+ setups, and I know that if I'm able to do it, I will be profitable. Okay, that's my thesis. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome, brother. Gold took out buy side liquidity. Yep, I know, but for now I won't do anything on it. I'll just wait to see how it will handle after it took out the buy side. Yo, bro, how you been? Have you been consistent with the gym today? Hey, how's it going, brother? I'm good. How about you? And yes, I've been consistent. I was at the gym today. Had a good cardio session combined with some upper body as well. So yeah, thanks for asking. And boom, check this out. Let's go. Running in profits. Let me do a quick story to post it, and you guys can consider closing some partials over here, or moving your stop loss at break even. Okay, you can consider closing some partials over here. But yeah, let's go. Let me do a short video to post it on the groups and also on my story. And you guys type in W in the chat. Hit me with the W's. Hit me with the W's in the chat. Come on, if you want to appear on the story. I'm gonna start recording now. So let's go. Caught this beautiful sniper on your USD live with the people, with the W's, as we can see. Let's go, everyone. W. Let's go. Look at that. Look at the chat. Everyone with the W. Let's go. Beautiful setup on your USD. Everything was looking on point. I liked the BOS. Very aggressive looking. Beautiful fair value gap. And as you can see, the chat is going crazy. Let's go, people. Super happy. Super happy about this. And yeah, make sure to join us if you want. Make sure to attend us live. We'll still be live for the next 2 hours or so. So yeah, let's go. Hey, let's go, people. Let's go. Make sure to drop that like. Make sure to drop that like, guys. Make sure to drop that like. That'll be very much appreciated. And maybe today we'll smash the previous record of 60 likes. Let's see. Let's see. Let me post this story real quick. But yeah, great stuff. And like I said, make sure you either close partials over here or you move the stop loss at break even. That's what I would recommend, okay? But yeah, I'm super happy about this trade, that we were able to catch it live. So yeah. Okay, just shared it. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. I will check all of your messages in a sec, guys, okay? I will check all of your messages in a sec. Oh, wrong charger. I was about to plug in my phone charger in my laptop. Let me get my laptop charger, this one. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Super happy to see all these W's, guys. Super happy to see it. But yeah, it's a great feeling to catch a beautiful trade live. Definitely a great feeling. So yeah. Let's see, how many likes are we on right now? 23 likes. Come on, guys. Smash that like button. I'm really curious if we can beat the previous record, the 60 likes we had in the last session from last week. That'll be dope. That'll be really cool. But yeah, super happy with this trade. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, let me update the group as well. How we smashed the TP. Okay. Perfect. Okay. All right. Once again, guys, because I saw another message now regarding the mentoring. As soon as this session will end, that's when I will be able to get back to your messages. Okay. I'm not ignoring you. I'm just focused on what I have in front of me here. Okay. So yeah, hope you guys understand. Let me go over these pairs real quick just to make sure that we don't have anything new. USEF nothing, GU nothing, NASDAQ nothing, and gold could potentially give us something. Okay, so on gold, it looks like we have a beautiful H1 sweep right now, and apart from that, we don't have anything else. So let's color code it with green, and we have a beautiful H1 sweep, A plus potential depending on MSS, on the market structure shift. Okay, so we'll keep our eyes on gold as well, but I'm loving EU. Look at this, guys. Look at this beautiful sniper. Let's go. Okay, so let me check the live chat. Let me get back to you guys on the live chat. So many W's. Love to see it, man. Love to see it. But yeah, regarding the gym, I've been consistent. I'm currently trying to bulk my way up to 90 kilograms. That's my target. It's so hard for me. I'm a hard gainer when it comes to weight. I'm currently at around 83, 84 kg. But yeah, it's a struggle. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe till the summer comes, I'll be able to hit it. Who knows? But yeah, I'm staying active in the gym. I'm loving it. How about you? How about you guys in general? Are you going to the gym? Are you staying active in the gym? Let me know. I'm really curious to see what you guys have to say. Wow, so many W's. I got $1,200, bro. Hey, let's go. Let's go. $1,200 profit. Love to see that. Make sure tacos are protein-based ones, man. Oh, nice. Should I eat more tacos then? Because I love eating tacos. W, the best. Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate you. I appreciate you a lot. I appreciate you guys a lot. Annoyed I couldn't do it on the new funded as I was unsure on the lot size. I played the trade on my Sabio trial though. That's still good though. That's still good. And don't worry, more opportunities will come. You don't have to be mad necessarily about it. Better to be safe than sorry, right? But yeah, using that app, it's going to save you a lot of time. Been good, bro. Went gym this morning too. Feels more productive. When would you move stops to break even? I already moved my stops at break even and closed some partials. So I'm now risk free for this trade. I'm super chill with it. So yeah, full target. If it is, then even better. But yeah, it's a W anyways. But yeah, I'm glad that you went to the gym as well. And yeah, it definitely feels very productive. When you're after you get back to the gym, you feel more active, more alive, so to say. That's why gym and sports in general are so important for us. Not necessarily because we're traders, but in general for humans, sport is a must in my opinion. So yeah. Can you explain where is the liquidity on EU? I missed this part. Yeah, sure. So it's this high that was taking over here. Okay, this was the liquidity level. But wow, look at this beautiful trade, guys. This is textbook. This is textbook, like the perfect setup. If of course it will smash the final target as well, but nonetheless, really beautiful setup anyways. Please do at least 2 lives a week. I'm doing 2 lives a week, but for my private community. Unfortunately, publicly, I'm not going more than once a week because I would then have less time to spend with the people that are in my community, you know. That's the reason, because I work very closely with them. I always get back to them. We also do sessions and whatnot. And that's why I'm focusing a lot on that, you know. But of course, if you guys are truly serious about this, if of course you like me as well as a person and as a trader, if you click the first link down below, you will be able to apply for the mentoring program. And as soon as this session finishes, I will get back to you, okay? But yeah, only apply for it if you are serious about this, okay? That's my request. W, yep, indeed. Can we move break even? Yep, sure. Why not? Enable, yes, it's already more than 1-to-1 RR. Exactly. Well said. Beautiful setup on EU in profits. Going to request a good payout today. Hey, let's go. Let's go with the payout. Love to see that. Wow, so many achievements today. So many achievements today. Love to see it. Go for that payout. Thank you, Dan. You're welcome. You're welcome. Hey, Daniel, how's it going? I just jumped in too low. Welcome to the party. W stream, Dan. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hi, Dan. How are you? I'm good. I'm good, Jackie. How about you? I'm enjoying the stream. I am enjoying the stream with you guys. Catching a beautiful A+ as well. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. How about you though? How are you doing, Jackie? And you guys in general, like I said, let me know about your weekend. Let me know about your plans for this week. And some of you guys already know, but this weekend, guys, on Saturday, it will be my birthday. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. I'm gonna have a small party with some friends. I'm really looking forward to it. And guess what? On Saturday, literally on my birthday, I'm gonna upload a very, very cool YouTube video on this Saturday, and you guys will love it. You guys will love it a lot, and it's like a birthday gift that I'm offering you guys for my birthday, if that's a thing. But yeah, I'm really excited for it, for my birthday, for the video to drop as well. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Hopefully. Hopefully. I go 4 times a week. Oh, nice. I assume to the gym, right? You're going 4 times a week. If yes, that's very solid. I usually go 4 times a week as well. 4 or 5 times. 4 or 5 times a week I go to the gym. But yeah, that's very solid nonetheless. Gold, strong market structure shift. Let me see. Right now there is no market structure shift on gold. So yeah, I'll wait. And to be honest, I wouldn't take this as a shift, neither this. So I would want to see some new structure form. Something like this, boom, boom, break, entry, and then boom. If I'm getting that, I'm entering. If not, I'm not. Okay? It's that simple. So yeah. W, yeah. I'm good too, just missed your EU trade. Ah, no worries, man. More will come. More will come. Happy birthday to you. Hey, thanks, man. Thank you, guys. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. How old do you get? I'm getting 24 years old. So yeah, 24. Hope you enjoyed on Saturday. To more great trades and success. Hey, thank you. Thank you very much. Appreciate you a lot. Yeah, I hope so. Nice. I can't wait to watch your video. I'm glad. I am glad to hear that. You guys will love it. Trust me. Like I said, it's a birthday gift. It's a gift that I'm offering you guys for my birthday. So yeah, but yeah, truly, I think you guys will love it. It's gonna be super awesome. It's gonna be super, super awesome. But yeah, let's see. Come on. Where are we at in terms of the likes? 32 likes halfway through. Let's see. Can we smash the 60 likes record today? That was established in the previous live session from last week. Hey, how's it going? Can you stop spamming, please? Because if you continue spamming the same word, I will have to remove it from the stream. There's no reason for you to spam because I'm reading every single message, as you can see, okay? Out of respect for me and for the other people, please stop spamming. Hey, thanks, man. Happy birthday in advance. Appreciate you. Appreciate you a lot. Sorry, no worries, man. It's all good. It's all good. Okay, so GJ, where we at? NASDAQ, where we at? Gold, where we at? Nowhere. USEF, GU, and NASDAQ. Yeah, we'll just chill for now, guys. We'll just chill and stay on this beautiful euro dollar chart. Thank you, Dan. You're welcome. You're welcome. Like, and please don't spam. Yeah, exactly. That's a fact. That's a fact. Oh. Which prop firms are you using and how much tax do you have to pay? Regarding tax, it's pointless for me to answer you that question because it varies from country to country, and the best way would be for you to contact an advisor that would be able to advise you regarding that. And in terms of prop firms, right now the prop firms that I'm funded with are Nova Funding, Trader Skill, but I'm looking to get funded with my fund at Next as well. FTMO potentially, and the 5%ers, and also Alpha Capital. Those are the ones that I'm willing to get funded with. The reason that I haven't really been pushing towards FTMO is because they have some of the strictest rules, so to say, and also it would take the longest to pass them due to the targets as well. So yeah, hope it makes sense. You seem exhausted. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, but I'm not exhausted. I'm not exhausted. I'm sorry to hear that. Hey, how's it going, Vlad? Greetings from Timișoara. Greetings from Bucharest. Vlad is also from Romania, guys, by the way. He dropped a message in Romanian. So yeah, glad to have you, Vlad, in the stream. Alpha Capital will reject your payout the moment you request? Really? I mean, I haven't been with Alpha so far. I haven't tried them. But from some of my friends and some people, I saw many people talk good about them. I had no clue. I mean, I'll definitely look into it more since I have them on my list. But I haven't tried them so far. I pulled out my USD CHF trade today because of fear of bouncing back. So sad because it was a winner. I know how that feels. I know how that feels. Good birthday gift for us. Yep, indeed. You guys will love it. Happy birthday in advance then. Thank you. Thank you, Marion. Appreciate you. They will call for a risk interview. Yeah, that's weird. I mean, I'll definitely look into it. Maybe you breached one of their rules. I don't know. I'm just asking. Maybe that could have been the reason as well. Check Trustpilot reviews. I mean, I think I did, and they seem pretty good. But yeah, I mean, thanks anyways. I'll definitely look into it more deeply. But yeah, appreciate you. Appreciate you. Happy birthday. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. How many years you in this industry? 5 years now. 5 years now. Yep, so let me know what plans do you guys have for this week. And also how you guys spend the weekend. I'm really curious to see how you guys spend the weekend. Let me tell you about mine. So my weekend, this weekend was actually pretty chill. It was less productive than usual. Sometimes during the weekend, I'm pretty productive as well. But this weekend, I was more of a chill weekend. I played some tennis. I spent time with the loved ones, with some friends. It was a really chill weekend. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't really do much in terms of productiveness this weekend. I also spent a lot of time outside because the weather was very beautiful, and yeah, for me it was a pretty chill weekend. And then for this week, like my goals are the same, just to stay consistent with the good habits, with the trading plan, because I know that if I'm consistent with all of them, things will look good, you know. So yeah, that's literally my plan. And then of course the birthday plan for this Saturday as well. So yeah, that's pretty much how this week will look like for me. But yeah, let me know about you guys as well. I'm really curious to see what you guys have to say about how you spent your weekend, about plans for this week, and also what hobbies do you have during the weekend. I'm really curious to see. Are you currently in this trade? Yep, I am currently in this trade. You know, India, I don't speak Indian. I only speak English and Romanian and also German. These three languages. But yeah, let me see if I have some important notifications. In the meantime, you guys can drop me a message on what I've asked. Oh. And yeah, right now we just gotta wait. This setup was based on liquidity sweep plus market structure shift. Then, yep, exactly. So H1 sweep of this high. Price was also at a 4-hour supply. That was my higher time frame confluence, this 4-hour supply. And then on the 5-minute, I waited for the aggressive market structure shift. Okay, and yeah, that was the setup. Niemals du sprichst Deutsch. Yeah, I don't speak German because most of my audience speaks English or Romanian. Woher gelernt? Ich war in die deutsche Schule. That means I was in the German school when I was young, and also kindergarten. I was in the German kindergarten and also school. But yeah, actually I do have some members in my community that are from Germany or Switzerland, and we sometimes speak some German as well. But yeah, that's pretty fun. But yeah, that's why I haven't really speak German, because most of my audience speaks English or Romanian. So yeah. Wow, German. I'm hoping to chill and spend some time in the garden, reporting and mixing new soil, and I'm putting my astrography plan for April together. Oh, nice. That's cool. That sounds really beautiful and also pretty chill. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool, brother. You are an underrated YouTuber, really. Hey, thank you. Appreciate you saying that. Appreciate you saying that. Fair Valley Gap. What's with the Fair Valley Gap? Let me know. But yeah, right now I don't really see anything else, guys. I mean, yes, gold theoretically gave a shift here, but this is a weak shift for me. And regardless, there's no Fair Value Gap on gold. So yeah, we'll just chill for now, guys. We'll just chill. We already have a beautiful setup. Oh, NASDAQ took out this this high. So we could have something interesting over here. Apart from that, nothing else on the 1 hour. What about the 4 hour? Nope, nothing else on the 4 hour either. What about the daily? Nothing else on the daily. So the only confluence would be the H1 beautiful sweep. If of course it will stay as this beautiful H1 sweep, A plus potential depending on MSS. Of course, it depends on how this hourly candle will close, because right now, yes, it looks like a beautiful H1 sweep, but if this hourly candle will close above this high, then it won't be a H1 sweep, a beautiful H1 sweep anymore, and therefore I won't have my eyes on it anymore, you know? So yeah, and look, check this out, US 30, we could have FOMO'd around here, you know, saying that, oh, we're missing the move, and check this out. Now price is liquidating many sellers. Not us though. Not us. GJ looks like it might give us a shift soon, but yeah, we'll see. We will see. Okay, Euro USD starting to pull back. All good. Regardless, it was a good trade. Closed some profits on it already. So yeah, hope you guys did too. But yeah, let's see GJ. Maybe GJ will offer us a opportunity as well. We'll have to see it and wait. Then can I trade liquidity sweep plus market structure shift with higher time frame confidence? Yes, you can. Yes, you are seriously underrated. Hey, appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you saying that. Your eyes don't hurt. You use light version of Brave. Sometimes they do, but to be honest, I got used to it, and I cannot use the dark version. I don't know. It's just too hard for me. USD CHF is clean. USD CAD also clean. I don't have USD CAD in my watch list, but what about USEF? I don't see why it's clean. What is clean about USEF? Let me know. I would like to know. But yeah, let's sit on GJ for now. I mean, it kind of gave us the shift here, and it looks like it's going to print a fair value gap now as well, but I don't know. I don't know. Looks like a pretty weak shift for me. Let's see. Let's see though. We could have a setup here. Okay, this is the BOS right here. And this right here is the fair value gap. We could have a setup, guys, on Mr. GJ. But yeah, let's see. Let's wait and see. Bro, USD is bullish. I know order flow was bullish. They're coming back. CSD. Yeah, I mean, I don't care, brother. I really don't. I already caught this setup. It already went in good profits. I closed some good partials on it. Now I'm risk-free on it, so it can literally go higher from here. I do not care. I only caught this small fraction, even though, yes, I know order flow is bullish on euro dollar. We only caught a small fraction of the move. You know, that's why I always tell people when they ask me about daily buys, that's why I don't really put much emphasis on it, because we are catching small moves here. We're not catching super big swings, you know? So, yeah, hope it makes sense. US 30, GJ. Yeah, let's wait on GJ, because it looks like it will give us a setup very, very soon. If the market structure shift happens, when take trade on which candle, like 2, 3 candle, etc. It doesn't depend on the candle. It depends on the fair value gap. Hi all. Hey, how's it going, Richard? How are you? Hope everything is fine. And also, guys, make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to smash that like button and see if we can break the previous like record that was established last week in the live. We had 60 likes last week during the live session. Now we are at 40 already. Nice. I think we're on the right way forward. I think we're on the right way forward. Do you use inverted fair value gaps? No, I don't. I don't, because I just like to keep things simple, you know? You don't have to use inverted fair value gaps, supply and demand, fair value gaps, whatever, breaker blocks, you know? You can literally just focus on 1 or 2 and you'll be good to go. So yeah, it's personal preference, really. I don't have a main reason why I don't use it. It's just that I don't, and that I just like to keep things simple. I don't really like this fair value gap here. I mean, it's still okay. It's not super small, it's 2 pips. So yeah, I think it's good to go. I think it is good to go. This will be the entry. Stops will be around here, and then targeting around here. Okay, so let's see. Let's prepare. Of course, Euro USD was looking better than GJ, but this is also a valid setup to take. Okay. This is also a valid setup to take. Okay. Okay. Now we'll see how things will go. But yep. Let's see, GJ. Let's see. Rage play. If you'll spam the same message multiple times, I will have to remove you from the stream. Okay? There's no need for you to spam. Like I said previously, I always check every single message out. Okay? So please stop spamming. Good, thanks. Only got home now from work. Nice. Hope you had a good day at work. Hope you had a good day. GJ looks much better than USD CHF. Yeah, I mean, USEF has nothing going on right now. GJ does have something going on. So yeah, and we can see that, yep, Euro USD revisited the entry price, but like I said, already closed good partials on it, and I hope you guys did too. Now let's focus on GJ, and it looks like it tapped us in. Okay, so we are in GJ. Pretty volatile day today, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Pretty volatile day. I'm not complaining, of course. Not complaining at all. Let's put the first target as well, which is right there. Right here. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so we'll just wait now. We'll just wait. Let's see. What time do you technically stop trading for the session? In 1 hour and 20 minutes from now at 4 p.m. UK time. How much are you funded and how many percentages are you making per month average? Right now, 400K total funding. And on average, I personally like to aim for 2-3-4%. That's what I like to aim for, because like this, I can keep the funded account for a longer period of time. Whereas if I would aim for, let's say, 10% or 15%, yes, that is possible. But you need to understand that it is also riskier. Okay, it is also riskier, and you will see that you'll end up losing the account sooner than you want it. So yeah, that's the way I go about it. Right now we'll just focus on GJ, because on these other pairs I don't really see anything interesting. Maybe on NAS if it will decide to reverse, but Right now, it doesn't look like it wants to reverse, but we'll get more clarity when the hourly candle will close. Okay. I accidentally pressed it. No worries, man. It's all good. Tomorrow is my physics test. Any tips? First of all, best of luck with it. And to be honest, man, I wasn't really good at physics, so I don't think I'm the right person to give you tips. But I guess if you just learn, you'll just get it. Check gold. What about gold? Yes, this is a shift technically, but it's a weak one. And anyways, there's no gap, so no reason for me to get involved over here. It's very simple. Very, very simple. Are you in GJ? Yes, sir. We are in GJ right now. Just study. Physics are easy. Yeah, exactly. Studying would probably make it easy. What time do you stop trading? In 1 hour and 15 minutes from now. That's when. All right, so let's see. Let's check the like count once again. Oh, 46 likes. We're getting closer and closer to 60 likes. Let's see, guys. Can we smash the 60 likes record today? That'll be very cool. That will be very, very cool. On how many accounts are you funded? Right now, like I told you, I have 2 accounts, both of them 200K. So 400K in total. Do you move to break even after 1-to-1 hits? Yeah, usually around then. Why don't you trade Euro USD and GBP USD London session? Because I mainly day trade during the New York session. And in the London, I like to look for some swing setups because I also swing trade. The people that are in my mentoring know. The reason I'm saying that is because the swing strategy that I'm using, the swing system, I am not sharing it anywhere, just with the people that join my private community, my mentoring. So yeah, that's the other strategy that I use besides this one. And yeah, hope it makes sense now. Are you an ICT trader? I mean, yes, I do use ICT Concepts. However, the strategy isn't exact the same. So yeah, I mean, you guys can call me whatever you want. ICT trader, SMC trader. For me, it's good anyways, to be honest. Gold is tapping in 30 and 15 VVG. Gold. Yeah, I mean, on gold, there's no setup for me now. There is no setup for me right now on gold. Okay? Purely because this was a weak shift and I'm not looking to get involved. Hey, Evan, how's it going, brother? Hello, Dan. Good afternoon. How's it going? It's going pretty good, actually. We got this beautiful setup on EU that almost smashed the final TP as well. So, yeah, it's a beautiful day. And now in this GJ trade as well that just stepped us. It's looking not as good as EU, but still a valid A+ setup. Had an aggressive shift. So yeah, we'll just see how it goes. Really, we'll just see how it goes. I personally risked a bit less on this GJ trade, a bit less than on EU. But yeah, that's just me. You guys can risk whatever you want. Is there any benefit in trading live account versus funded account? I mean, the benefit when trading a live account is that you have full control when it comes to everything, your funds, when you trade, how you trade, pretty much whatever you want, you have full control on it. Whereas on prop firm accounts, you do have some restrictions. Like that's a big pro for the live account, for the personal account. But in my opinion, there is more pros for the funded accounts overall. Okay, because many people don't have a lot of funds to trade with, and I personally recommend people that it would be better to go for a funded account instead of trying to trade a $2,000 account or a $5,000 account, for example. You know, so yeah, the only benefit I would say for trading a live personal account is that you have full access to your money whenever you want. You can withdraw it whenever you want. And you can basically trade however you want. You have full control, you have full freedom. Like that's the only benefit of trading a live personal account. Wait, can I trade NASDAQ on MT5? Yep, you can. You don't need to look at a lot of pairs. I need one pair. You'd have to be mastered, and that pair can change your life. Yeah, I mean, I know people that only trade one pair, profitable traders that only trade one pair, and they are very okay with it. You know, it's really about personal preference. I know that you are using Funded Next right now. I don't. I'm using that 2 hour payouts weekly. I'm not sure. I'm not sure since I'm currently not using them. I'm planning on getting funded with Funded Next, but right now I am not using them. So yeah, hope it makes sense. Let's see. GJ is getting close to the first target, looking pretty good. So yeah, let's see. It was a good stream regardless overall so far. I really enjoyed it, and yeah, hope you guys did too. Let me check my phone real quick to see if there's any important notifications. Come on, GJ. Come on, GJ. Come on, GJ. Hey, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. TP1 was smashed. Let's go, people. Super happy to see this. What a day. What a day. Can we get some more W's in the chat? Can we get some more W's in the chat, guys? I want to film a quick video. Once again, post it. Short video with my phone. So yeah, feel free to drop the W's again. Let's see. And another one. We are on a streak today. Once again, caught it live with the people over here. Oh, we have a payout over there as well. Check this out. Payout waiting to get processed. Let's go. Let's go, everyone, with the W's. What a day. What a beautiful day, guys. Caught another W on GJ. First target was smashed. We're about to close some partials, potentially move the stop loss at break even. But yeah, what an amazing day. Chat is going chat is going crazy with the W's. Let's go. What a beautiful day. Once again, beautiful A+ setup. And yeah, feel free to join us. We'll still be live for the next hour or so. So yeah, feel free to join us. Let's go, people. Wow. What a day. What a beautiful day. Who else does this? Let me know, guys. Who else does this? Catching trades live with everyone. That's all I gotta say. Really. But yeah, make sure you guys smash that like for me. Make sure you guys smash that like for me. What a beautiful day, guys. What a beautiful day. Oh, looks like it's reversing. Close partials here. In short, stop loss at break even as well. Let's see. Let's check these other pairs. Like I said, guys, hope you closed partials. Hope you already closed partials. Yep, I did. I did move it. Let me quickly check these other pairs because now that we discussed about GJ and celebrated, I forgot to check these other pairs and I don't want to miss any other A+ potentials. Look, right here on gold, if I see an aggressive break, I like this fair value gap, we could enter it. Okay, check this out. Your ESD retested the entry and now it's going back in profit. But yeah, we'll just wait for now. We will just wait for now. You are the goat of thanks, man. Your messages are super cool. You are the goat of trading, bro. Hey, thanks, man. I mean, I'm not the goat, and I will never claim to be the goat. But I'll just want to be known as the real trader, so to say. That's why I asked who else does this, you know, because I don't really know many traders that do this, you know, that go live, trade live in front of their subscribers, you know, with their subscribers. And yeah, that's why I said it. That's why I mentioned it, because there's so many people that claim crazy flips and whatnot, but they never live trade, you know, they never live trade, they never do stuff like this. And yeah, unfortunately. And I'm doing this to try and spread more awareness, so to say, on how trading actually looks and works. So yeah, hope you guys are enjoying it. Hope you do. Okay. Yeah, so really beautiful day, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Right now, let's wait on gold, okay? Let's wait on gold. I want to see if we get an aggressive shift over here. Because if we do, we might have another A+ setup. We might have another A+ setup. But yeah, let's wait. Let's wait. Apart from that, I don't really see anything else. Yeah. So let's just focus on gold for now. And also I have a lot of messages to read. I know I have a lot of messages to read. You guys wrote a lot of messages. I'll get back to them very, very soon. Actually, let me start checking them now. Once again, so many W's. Let's see how many likes are we on. 51 likes. We are getting closer and closer. Come on, guys. Let's smash that record. Let's smash that record. Hello, Dan. Another impressive month for me. $4,400 payouts waiting to get processed. Swing system for the win. Hey, let's go, Ben. Let's go, brother. Super happy to hear it. Ben is a member of my community, of my mentoring program, and he's been having some great success, especially lately. He's using the swing system, the swing strategy that I teach in the mentoring, and yeah, he's having some great success with it. I'm super happy to hear it, man. Super happy to hear it. Continue doing what you're doing like this. Stick to your plan and keep it simple, and more will come. That's literally it. But yeah, that's great news, man. That is great news. Gold down, yep, could be a potential setup. How many trades you trade at a time depends on how many A+ setups I get. But usually I don't really have more than 2, if I'm being honest. Can you check gold? Yep, here I am waiting for the market structure shift. W, so many W's. It's crazy. It's crazy. More money, bro. W's in the chat. Benefits of your mentorship. So you'll basically learn my strategies from A to Z. This one, as well as the swing system that I don't share online at all, only in my mentoring. Basically the swing system that Ben, the person I just talked about, has used in order to qualify for his payout. And also support from me, you know. You'll also benefit from my support, and also lifetime access to our private community. You'll get that as well as a member of the group. So yeah, those are the benefits of joining the mentoring. But like I said, please only apply for it if you are truly serious about it. Okay? Only apply it if you're truly serious about it. If not, don't apply for it. Okay? It's the first link in the description of this live. And check this out, gold just gave us the shift, the aggressive shift, and also has a gap over here, also swept liquidity over here. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Gold is looking pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Gold is looking pretty good. And yeah, looks like another A+ setup to me, if I'm being honest. Over here, stop loss over here, and got targeting to RR. Okay. A day filled with action today, guys. I'm not gonna lie. A day filled with action. Okay. 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 All right, so now before I go over your messages again, guys, let me check the 1 hour chart to see if we have anything new. Over here we don't. Over here we don't. NASDAQ is just heading higher, and it is not a beautiful H1 sweep anymore, so we'll just have to wait for another sweep. Potentially this one here, I think, if I'm being honest. Let's see if I'm wrong or if I'm correct. I think I'm correct. Yeah, I'm correct. Yeah, so NASDAQ is now in between these two liquidity levels. Yeah, most likely we'll have no setups on NASDAQ today. Yep, so NASDAQ, USEF, pretty clear. GU, pretty clear as well. US 30. US 30, nothing new really. You can see that it revisited this high, but no market structure shift for us, nothing interesting. And over here we can see that gold had this beautiful H1 sweep. That's why we want to take this setup. Okay. So yeah, that's that, guys. That's that. Let me check your messages again. So yeah, those are the benefits of the mentorship. I just mentioned them. You are the GOAT of trading, bro. Once again, thank you for saying that. Even though I'm not, and I'll never claim to be the GOAT, but I really do appreciate it. Brother carried with the heart. He's the wolf of Wall Street. This comment is so funny. Thank you, man. I take it as a compliment. As transparent as it gets, showing trades live. Yeah, that's what I mean. I'm just trying to promote this side of trading to try and help more and more people understand how trading actually works, you know. Wait with gold, just wait a little bit, buy gold soon. I mean, my setup says otherwise, but yeah, maybe you'll be right and I'll be wrong. I don't know. Good night from me in Taiwan. Good luck, everyone. Hey, good night, brother. Take care and thank you. I like your video. Thanks, Dan. You're welcome. And I'm glad that you like it. And in terms of likes, let's see where we're at now. We are at 53 likes, almost smashing the 60 like record. Let's see if we can smash it today, guys. And also make sure you are subscribed, okay? Make sure you are subscribed to the channel because like I said, this Saturday on my birthday, I will drop a super cool YouTube upload and you guys do not want to miss it. Trust me. Hey, Andre, you combine on the same account both strategies, or I personally like to have one account for swing trading and one account for day trading. But sometimes, to be honest, I kind of mix both of them on the same account sometimes, but most of the times I just like to keep them separated. Which chart are you using for NAS 100? I'm using this chart here, NAS 100 from Oanda. This is the chart that I'm using. I didn't get tapped in. Neither have I. Do prop from giveaway. I might do some giveaways in the future, and you guys will be informed if I'll do them. So don't worry. But yeah, what a beautiful day it's been so far, guys. What a beautiful day. Filled with action, exactly as we love it. Gold is buy, bro. Maybe it is. I don't know. For me, this setup is showing me a sell. But like I said, maybe you're right and I'll be wrong. But this is just my setup, you know. I backtested these setups. I know how profitable they are. So yeah, as simple as that. You are good at trading. Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate you once again. Appreciate you all for saying that. Truly do. But yeah, it's been a wonderful, wonderful day. Wonderful session, wonderful day. Wonderful everything. Yeah, I don't think we'll have another setup, to be honest. But yeah, still a day filled with action, guys. A day filled with action. I'm just checking some notifications, guys, because right now I don't really see anything else that's interesting. So yeah. In the meantime, you can drop whatever you want in the live chat and I'll check it out. Okay. Okay, let me check the charts once again, all the pairs, and then I will check your messages, okay? Yep, so these two, we already know about them. Gold seems that is going away without us, fortunately. But let's see. We'll still keep it for now. It missed us here by a tiny bit. That's a bit annoying, but it is what it is. It is what it is. But yeah, let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's just see. Using one strategy for different assets. I don't understand what you mean. If you can say again, please. Check USD CAD. I'm not trading USD CAD. Gold is gonna sell. I just love the gold setup. I mean, yes, it was looking like a very beautiful setup, but it looks like it missed us by a super duper tiny bit here, and then it went to the downside. But let's see. For now, I will still keep it. Okay, I will still keep it. My stop loss didn't trigger at break even with GBP USD RIP GJ. I mean, GJ is currently around the entry price anyway, so it's not that bad. What platform are you using? Like I said, currently I'm funded with Nova Funding and TraderScale. Yes, you're truly a GOAT G. Don't know where I'd be without you. Hey, thanks, Ben. Thank you so much, brother. I appreciate you saying that. And yeah, I mean, I'm glad we met. I'm glad that I was able to help you. But hey, you still need to take credit for it as well. You were hardworking. You were listening to all I had to say during the mentoring, and yeah, that's why now you are able to achieve really good results. So yeah, you should take some credit for it as well. It's not only it's not only me that made the difference for you, it's also you. So yeah, but thanks once again, brother. I truly appreciate your message. But yeah, unfortunately, gold seems to go lower without us. So yeah, unfortunately, I think this will be a miss. Like I said, missed us by a tiny bit here, then went straight to the profit. For now, I'll just keep it a bit more. But if this low here, if this demand gets liquidated, and yeah, just got liquidated, we are disconsidering this setup. Literally missed us by this much. But yeah, we'll disconsider it, okay? We are disconsidering gold. Let me update in the group as well. We are disconsidering it because it already did its move without us. It missed us by a super tiny bit, but it's all good. It is all good. Nothing to complain about. Still was a solid session. Let's see on US30. Let's see on US30 if it's going to give us a aggressive shift. Apart from that, on these other pairs, I don't really think we'll have anything else. But yeah, gold played some games with us, but it's all good. It's all good. Oh. I feel so good when I'm popping my neck like that. It feels relaxing. But yeah, Super happy about today, guys. Super happy, and I think that you guys are too. It was such a cool session. Oh, at 56 likes, guys, come on. We can do it. We're almost at 60. And yeah, also make sure, like I said, to be subscribed to the channel if you aren't already, to not miss out on any live sessions and of course any future uploads. Okay? Make sure to do that. I'm a bit tired. Now I got a bit tired because this session was filled with action. But yeah, slowly we're approaching the end. And yeah, we'll see. I'm also happy to see that I really received some messages today from you people regarding the mentoring, applying for it. I'm happy to see that there's many people that are actually serious about it, because like I said, I always mention that you shouldn't apply for it unless you are very serious about trading. For your strategy, is it better to focus on only one pair, or you should try different pairs during the day to have multiple chances? That is up to you. Personally, I like to use it on multiple pairs. But at first, if you want, you can just focus on one pair only if you want to. What is the fee, brother? I will give you all the details if you qualify for it. First things first, if you click the first link in the description, you will be able to apply for the mentoring. You will be able to reach out to me privately and apply for it. Then we'll see if you qualify for it. And if you do, after that, I will give you the details with everything. Okay? With what's included, with the fees and whatnot, pretty much everything that you need to know. Okay, so that's the step-by-step process. I have messaged you, brother. Yeah, I know. I see you here in my messages on Telegram. But like I said, I will get back to you regarding it as soon as this session will end. Okay? And this goes for everyone. If you applied for my mentoring, or if you want to apply for it, just know that I will get back to your message after this session is over, not sooner. Okay? Tell us something about trading. What should I tell you about trading? On what topic? Let me know. If you guys give me a topic, then yeah, sure, I can tell you my thoughts on it. I will check your messages in a sec, guys, okay? All right, so before checking your messages, let me quickly check the other pairs. Yeah, US 30 nothing, NASDAQ nothing, USDCHF nothing, and GU nothing. So yeah, nothing else for now, guys. Let me check your messages. How to spot the correct liquidity? I mean, for me, it's really very highs and very lows. That's literally it. It was a good setup in gold, but missed by an inch. No FOMO. Yeah, exactly. That was literally it. Can you explain gold trade I missed? So it was this one here that missed us by a super tiny bit. Okay, it had a beautiful H1 sweep of liquidity right here, and then on the 5-minute it gave us this impulsive market structure shift right here, fair value gap right here, and yeah, that would have been the setup. Something special you pick. I mean, I don't know. There's so many things to discuss about trading. That's why I asked if you can say what topic you want me to discuss on, and we'll go from there. Everybody missed? Yeah, exactly. GBP JPY. GBP JPY got us out at break even, at least myself. At least I closed some partials on it. But yeah, it was a good trade overall. It was a decent one. And yeah, we'll now wait on US 30 to see if it's going to give us a setup, but most likely it won't. It did not tap in VVG. Yeah, exactly. What was the logic behind that trade? I want to know. So like I said, on gold, hourly, first of all, sweep of this high, beautiful H1 sweep. Why is it a beautiful H1 sweep? Because this hourly candlestick right here went above this level, this liquidity level, but it closed below it, okay? If it would have closed above it, then it wouldn't have been a beautiful H1 sweep anymore. But because it closed like this, it was a beautiful H1 sweep. So that was the higher time frame confluence. And then on the 5-minute, I waited for the aggressive market structure shift. Okay, and we can see it right here. Aggressive shift, fair value gap has been left behind, and that essentially would have been the setup. Hey Aline, how's it going? New York session starts at 16:30. Usually it starts at 16:30 Romania time, but till the 30th of March, when we have the daylight shift, the time shift, the New York Stock Exchange opens at 15:30 Romania time. Okay, until here, until 30th of March, when we have the daylight saving time shift. Pretty much after the 30th of March, the New York Stock Exchange will open at 4:30 p.m. Romania time. Okay. It was this difference for this month because the time shift has happened sooner in the United States, and in Europe it happens this weekend. You know, that's the reason behind it. So yeah, hope it makes sense. Thanks, you're welcome. You're welcome. Hey mate, in the gold VVG, did you mark out the first and the fourth candle for your box? I don't understand what you mean. Gold VVG, do you mark out the first and the fourth candle for your box? No. It's this candle with, oh yeah, with this one, because essentially there was a fair value gap here, but what the heck? The bar replay mode has glitched. But let me show you. So right here, yes, the fair value gap was this one. But check this out. We have no market structure shift yet. Only afterwards we had the aggressive market structure shift and the FVG was tapped. So my new FVG was this one right here. Okay, it was adjusted. So yeah, hope it makes sense why the FVG looks like this. I now understood your question, Dimith. So yeah, hope it makes sense now. Please check USD/CHF. There's nothing to check on USD/CHF. I mean, this chart looks super slow right now. Like, why would you place a trade on something like this, looking like this? So yeah, no thoughts on USD/CHF. Next, car plan. Well, to be honest, I mean, right now I don't really have a car plan because the current car I have, the CLA 45S AMG, is a great all-rounder. I love it. I love the way it drives. I love that it's also practical. I love everything about it. I love the interior. So I literally do not know when I would change my car and what would be my next car. For now, I'm super happy and super thankful about this car. I'm enjoying it a lot every single time when I get into it. So yeah, I mean, I just love it, to be honest. I just love it. So in terms of a next car, really, no clue. No clue. I mean, I do love a supercar a lot, but yeah, that's probably not going to be a purchase that I'll make anytime soon because I have other things in order that are more important. But I would definitely love in the future to get an Aston Martin Vantage V8. I just love how that car looks, how it sounds. I don't know, I just love everything about it. I love the Aston Martin Vantage V8. That's the model. But yeah, like I said, that's for future, not now. Now I have other priorities, and that wouldn't be a daily driver, of course. That would be like a investment car, so to say, you know, a car that I would probably drive once a week or once every 2 weeks, you know. But yeah, the current car I have is gorgeous. Is gorgeous. It drives well. It's powerful too. Like, it's anything in one. To be honest, it's everything in one. Nice. BMW M5. Yeah, I mean, the M5 is a great car. But I mean, I don't know. I would still prefer the interior of my current car. That's the thing. That's the thing. I think the interior of the AMG is superior to the interior of an M5. That's just my opinion. And bear in mind, I'm a BMW fan as well. Where do you live? I live in Bucharest, Romania, East Europe. I think gold has broken the downtrend line on 1 hour time frame. Can you see that? Could this breakout affect market price section? I don't know, because I do not trade trend lines, brother. But yeah, on gold, this was our setup. Like I said, missed us by a tiny bit. I'm not looking to enter anything else. Okay. Hey, Guillermo, how's it going? Hey, any posts today? Greetings. Yep, today was a beautiful day filled with action. We caught this beautiful trade on EU. Okay, ran all the way till here. We caught this beautiful trade on GJ that ran till the first TP, and then it decided to reverse. And on gold, unfortunately, it missed us by a tiny bit. Yeah, it's been a good day. It's been a filled with action day. Goal. What do you mean by goal? Let me know. Do you experience that you almost lost a funded account and get it back? Yeah. I had some times where I was super close to blow it, and then I was able to recover it. I had some few times when that happened. But of course, I also had times when I blew it. So yeah, either way, what you need to understand is that it's fine and that you'll always get a second chance. It's about how you approach things, you know, uh, how you'll take things in, the lessons that you've learned from it, and how you'll go about it from then on, moving forward. Your aim for future. I mean, my goal for the future is just continue doing what I love, which is this, and just growing, really. See growth when it comes to my trading, to my community, to the way I talk to people, you know. That's literally what I want. Growth on every single aspect that I approach on a day-to-day basis. In the gym, I want to see growth in the gym as well. Just basically, I want to see progress. Do you have a job or did you have a job? Right now, my full-time job is trading and nothing else. And yes, I used to have a job. I was a professional tennis player and I was also a part-time, so to say, tennis coach. And that's how I was able to make uh, some money to fund the trading, basically. The accounts, the courses that I bought when I started, that's how I was able to do it. Thanks so much for this live session. You're welcome, brother. You're welcome. I'm glad that you enjoyed it. Wish you the best, brother. Thank you. Likewise. Wishing you the best as well. So yeah, let's check the charts once again. Okay, US 30, whom you might actually have another setup because there's still 30 minutes left. If US 30 is going to give us an aggressive break here, we could take it. Okay. But apart from that, NASDAQ is in between, USEF is in between and it's barely moving, and GBP/USD is in between the liquidity levels as well. So yeah, we'll just focus on US 30 for now. We'll keep an eye on it, and yeah, nice. Yeah, that's my story. We are at 58 likes, guys. Come on, super close to smashing that 60 likes barrier. Let's see if we can. Liquidity sweep in gold. I'm not looking to take any more trades on gold. But yeah, you could say that this is a 5-minute liquidity sweep. But like I said, I'm not looking to take any other setups on gold. Only potential setup that we might have is on US 30. Okay. You invest in crypto? Yes, I have invested and I still invest every now and then. I DCA, dollar cost average, into crypto. Main coins like Solana, Polkadot, Chainlink, Ethereum. These are like couple of my main holds, so to say. But yeah, that's pretty much it, really. Nothing crazy. What a day it's been. What a day it's been. 25 minutes left and we'll end the session. Until then, we could potentially get another setup on US 30 over here. Okay. Okay. US 30 is breaking lower. We have the BOS right here, but right now it's a weak BOS. I want to see an aggressive BOS. If I get that, we will take this setup. If I don't, however, we will not take this setup. Okay, so this right here is the fair value gap. Hey Dan, just got here. So what trades did you catch today? Today was a field with action day, brother. We caught two beautiful trades. One on Euro USD. This one that went all the way here, closed partials on it and break even. And GJ, this one went all the way till here, smashed TP1, closed partials, and then this one was a break even trade afterwards. Okay, and then gold give us another A plus, but it missed us by a super tiny bit here, and it would have been a winning setup. So yeah, it was a filled with action day, and right now I have my eyes on US 30. It might actually give us a setup here. That's what I'm waiting for. So yeah, and of course, if you want, you can just rewatch the session to see exactly how we analyze those trades. You can just rewatch it whenever you want fully, and you will see exactly step by step how everything went. I would actually recommend you to do that if you want. I have a lot of things to learn from you. Hey, appreciate you, brother. I'm glad to hear that. I really like how you respect your trading plan on all costs. Yeah, because I know that this act is keeping me profitable, you know. So yeah, that's why I am always super strict about it. I have like a session from 3 accounts. I don't understand what you mean. If you can say again. Awesome, thanks Dan, you're the man. Hey, thanks man, I appreciate you. And you're welcome. You're welcome. And check this out guys, we might actually have another setup here. Looks like US 30 is impulsively breaking, and that's exactly what we want. Hey, we are at 61 likes, let's go. Let's go, we smashed the previous record guys, come on. Now can we hit 70? Just kidding, but I mean, of course, it would be dope. But yeah, another milestone was smashed. Super happy for it. Appreciate you guys a lot. It means a lot to see all of these likes. And yeah, if you truly like this content, make sure, like I said, to be subscribed to not miss out on any future uploads. Okay. All right, so I am preparing the entry for this US 30 setup. Because it is looking pretty valid. However, we need to wait and see how this 5-minute candle will close. If the body will close below this low, then yes, I will take this setup. If not, I will not take this setup, okay? As things stand now, I will not take this setup, guys, okay? So be very, very, very mindful of that. That's how I approach it. So let's see. Let's see. Yeah, right now, as things stand, I'm not taking it. I'm not taking this setup, guys. As things stand. Because this is a weak market structure shift. I want to see an aggressive one. Okay, 30 seconds left until the 5-minute candle will close. Let's see. So far, I'm not liking this, but looks like we might have a strong push. Let's see. I'm patiently waiting, but yeah, right now I'm not looking to take this setup, guys. Okay, I am not looking to take this setup. Yeah, I'm not taking it now, guys. I'm not taking it. If this candlestick comes to my fair value gap, I'm not entering. I want to see this candlestick go lower and fully close below this area. Otherwise, I will not enter, okay? So yeah, I will not enter it, guys. Okay, come on. If we see the 5-minute reverse and actually break that level fully with the body, then we will take the setup. Can you do a video explaining market structure from your view? I already have a video on market structure on my channel. Feel free to go ahead and check it out. You deserve 100,000 likes. Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate you. Appreciate you a lot. Check NAS 100. I mean, there's nothing to check on NAS 100 because it's in between these two liquidity levels. Okay, so nothing for me to check. On US 30, however, if this 5-minute candlestick will will fully close below this low, then we will be able to take this setup. But let's see. Still 3 minutes left. We gotta see how this candlestick will close. We gotta wait for that. And yeah, let's patiently wait. Let's just wait. Yeah, doesn't look good to me. Looks like we won't have a setup on US 30. Purely because of this weak market structure shift, it looks like price is rejecting from this fair value gap here. Okay, and I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. If this candlestick will close like this, we will not take this setup. Okay, check USD CHF. Once again, what should I check on USD CHF? I think you've asked me before to check USD CHF, but there's nothing to see really on USD CHF. The price action is super slow. I'm not seeing anything on USEF. Okay, hope it makes sense. Odd USD, please. I am not having odd USD in my watch list. Sorry. I only have these 7 pairs in my day trading watch list. GBP JPY already gave us setup, smashed our TP1, and now we will not take any other setups on it for today. Euro USD down. Yep. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, US 30. Now it's looking better. Now it's looking better. Let's see. Yep, as things stand now, we will take the setup. But let's see. 5-minute candle still hasn't closed yet. Why you are selective about the pair? Because I've backtested a lot and I know what works and what doesn't. That's pretty much the easiest answer I could give you. That's why I'm very strict with my plan as well. And that's why I don't second guess, if that makes sense. But yeah, we still won't take this US 30 setup. Okay, this right here is a weak market structure shift. So yeah, looks like now it's heading towards the VVG. If it taps it, we will not take the setup. Okay. I hold Euro USD trade. Nice. Still running strong. Let's go. Let's go. But yeah, I'm gonna wait on US 30 because it seems indecisive. It doesn't know where it wants to go. If it's giving us the aggressive break, the full body closure I'm looking for, then yeah, sure, we will take this setup. If not, as things stand now, we will not take it. Oh, check this out, guys. Looks like the setup is back again on the table, I guess. But of course, we have to wait for the for this 5-minute candle to close. But yeah, it looks all of a sudden it looks more aggressive, and that's exactly what I want to see. That's exactly what I want to see, okay? So let's see. Apart from that, I'm not checking the other pairs because I know that there's nothing else that awaits, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's why I am staying on US 30 only. Gold, second VVG. Where is gold? Oh, you mean that it gave a second VVG here? Yeah, but I wouldn't have entered it here. I would have entered gold here. Yeah, US 30. Let's wait on US 30. Your favorite pair? That's a good question. Probably, I don't know, maybe GBP USD or NASDAQ, I think. Gold is also a strong contender. Euro USD as well. I would say my top 4 pairs are GBP USD, NASDAQ, gold, and Euro dollar. I would say these 4 are my top favorite pairs, if I'm being honest. Yeah, those 4 pairs. And yeah, looks like US 30 will become valid, but 12 minutes until the trading session will end. So I'm not sure if it's going to trigger in time, but we'll see. Okay, we will see. You don't use inverted fair value gaps at all? No, I don't, because like I said, I just like to keep things simple. You don't necessarily need to use inverse fair value gaps, order blocks, breaker blocks all at once. You can literally just focus on one out of all these, or 2 maximum, I would say, and just stick with it, really. You know, there's no need for you to overcomplicate it and use multiple. So yeah, thumbs up. Thank you. And in terms of thumbs up, let's see where we're at. Oh, we're almost at 70 likes, guys. Almost at 70 likes. What a day. What a beautiful day. But yeah, it looks like US 30 is becoming valid. Yep, US 30 is becoming valid now, guys. But like I said, we'll keep an eye on it because soon the trading session will end. And if it does and the setup is not triggered, we will delete it. Okay, we will disconsider it. So yeah, let's wait. Let's wait, guys. But yeah, now that the end is approaching, I really hope you guys enjoyed this session as much as I did. I hope you found it valuable, and yeah, it was a really cool one. Many of you were able to make some good profits as well from the trades that we took, and I'm super happy about that. And yeah, just subscribe to the channel once again to stay updated with the uploads I'm making and with the lives I'm doing. So yeah, make sure to do that. And yeah, let me know if there's any other questions or any other topics you would like us to discuss in these final 10 minutes of the session. Let me know. Your Telegram, if you click the first link in the description of this live session, let me see. Let me double check that the mentoring landing page is there. Yeah. If you click the first link in the description, you will be able to apply for my mentoring program and essentially contact me privately over there. Okay. So yeah, that's how you'll do it, by clicking the first link in the description. Why just 10 minutes till the session ends? Because that's when I end the session, at 6 p.m. my time. Okay? So yeah. Looks like US30 will give a second VVG, and in this case we can see that the TP would be past the opposite liquidity level, so the trade will become invalid. But let's see, it's not certain now that this will be the fair value gap. So let's see, let's wait. Oh, it's cloudy now outside. No more sun for the day. I want to know the price of the mentorship program to join. Like I said, click the first link in the description. Like that, you will be able to apply for the mentoring and message me privately. After this session ends, I will get back to you and see if you qualify for my mentoring program, if you're a good fit. And if you are a good fit, that's when I will give you all of the details, okay? Details about what you will receive, about the pricing, pretty much everything, okay? So that's what you need to do. Thank you so much, Dan. Keep on helping us. God bless. You're welcome. You're welcome, and I will keep on doing it, and God bless you too. Appreciate you. Euro check, euro dollar, you mean? Here you go. Yeah, I mean, people that are still in this setup, you guys are approaching the final TP. So that's nice. But yeah, US30 looks like it will become invalid, because this second gap was created, and now if we was to place the sell limit on it, the target would be past the opposite liquidity level, and we do not want that. Thank you, bro. You're welcome. You welcome. And yeah, I'm looking forward to get in touch with you. If, like I said, you should only apply for the mentoring if you are truly serious about trading, okay? If you're not, please do not apply for it, because not only you will waste my time, but you will waste your time as well. What indicator you use for VVG? A helpful one is the tool you can get with flux charts. 4 hour and 1 hour, what do you prefer most for hard time frame? I mean, the higher the time frame, the better the confluence, you know, but I like them both equally, if I'm being honest. So yeah. And yeah, like I said, yeah, US30 now becomes invalid, okay, guys? Because once again, we would move our entry here, and we can see that the TP would be past the opposite liquidity level. So therefore, US30 has become invalid, okay? Oh, there you go. There you go. If you held Euro USD, now you should have been at the final target. What a beautiful day, guys, in the markets. Super happy about it. Super thankful that you guys were able to join and make profits live with me. And yeah, what can I say? Subscribe, like. If you're truly serious about trading and you would like to work with me one-on-one and join our private community, click the first link down below and you'll be able to apply for it. And yeah, what else? Follow me on IG if you want. That's the second link, I think, or the third link, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, guys, make sure to stay tuned for the video upload that will drop this Saturday. That's why you should make sure to be subscribed. And yeah, that's really it, to be honest. I think we'll end this session in a couple minutes. Let's delete the drawings over here. GJ, thank you for today. Glad that I was able to close some partials on it. USD CHF finally woke up after a couple hours of sleeping, but we had no setups on it today, which is all good. NASDAQ, no setups on it either, which is all good. US 30 gave us a potential setup, but made the move without us. So it's all good. Gold missed us by a super tiny bit and then went towards the target. And then Euro USD smashed the final target here. And yeah, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Super happy about today, guys. I don't know about you, but I'm super happy about today. Also happy that I was able to catch these profits live, because it's one thing to make profit on your own, but it's another thing to make profit with multiple other people live as well. So yeah, once again, if you like this session, guys, make sure you drop a like, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and yeah, what else? Nothing else. Oh, of course, if you want to get access to more stuff like this and essentially work with me one-on-one, if you click the first link, you will also be able to apply for the mentoring and for the community. Thanks for your time, Dan. You're welcome. You're welcome, guys. I thank you for joining as well. I watch again this stream for learning. Yeah, sure. That's a good thing to do. To rewatch the stream and all streams as well if you want in your free time. That would be a very good thing to do. I passed the phase 1 test thanks to your trading today. Thank you. Hey, let's go. Let's go. What a beautiful achievement, man. You're welcome. And I'm glad that you passed it. Super glad. Super glad. And yeah, I'm looking forward to get in touch with you. I don't know if you applied already for the mentoring. Maybe you did. If you did, then I'll get back to you soon, okay? Because I know that you asked about it, about the mentorship. When do you go live again next time? Next week on Tuesday. That's when I go live publicly. So yeah, looking forward to see you guys then. And once again, thank you for the birthday wishes as well. On Saturday, like I said, that's when my birthday will be. And that's when I will also drop a very cool YouTube video for you guys. Okay? So, yeah, that's that, guys. We're ending it right here. Once again, thank you all very much for joining, for making time. I really hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Take care. Have a beautiful rest of your day. and a wonderful rest of your week. I sent you this certificate via Instagram. Hey, nice. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you, man. I'll check it out and I'll make sure to post it on my story. Happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you once again, guys. Thanks a lot. Appreciate you. Appreciate you a lot. And yeah, see you soon. Bye-bye.